While countries around the world have systematically got away with the term lockdown, the situation is remarkably different in the illegally occupied POK, the region under Pakistan's control. After failing to prepare itself to fight the deadly COVID even after months of its outbreak, the administration in the region is still resorting to lockdowns and other strict restrictions, causing massive inconvenience and losses to locals. Recently, a large number of them took to streets and demonstrated against the government. They said the government's actions were a mere knee-jerk reaction to avoid international criticism and embarrassment.
Small traders and shopkeepers in the illegally occupied POK took to streets after they were told that the government might just extend the 15-day lockdown by another fortnight. They have called it a knee-jerk reaction of the government to conceal its incompetence amidst rising COVID cases and the simultaneous international pressure. They say such calls do not address the problems they face during the shutdown of services. While some of them have already been flouting the norms, citing the decision as arbitrary and apathetic, others have vowed to disregard it in coming days. They say the government has been absolutely negligent during pandemic and has done only what is indispensable. The lockdown decision is part of that model only.
ये जो लॉकडाउन है ये सारा ताजरबाजी के साथ बहुत बड़ा जुल्म है। इससे पहले भी जो ये 7-8 महीने का जो कारोबार है इसमें जो छोटा कारोबारी है वो तो पहले से ही खत्म हो गया है। हम इससे ये गवर्नमेंट से ये अपील करते हैं कि ये
होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए?
लॉकडाउन नहीं होना चाहिए।
नहीं होना चाहिए। एसओपी के मुताबिक
लॉकडाउन करना इंतहाई ज़रूरी हो गया तो फिर गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कि वो ये दुकानों के किराए, बिजली के बिल और दुकानदार के जो छोटा दुकानदार है उसके लिए वो सहूलतें मुहैया करें।
The traders in this illegally occupied region are among those who have been affected most due to the pandemic. The chilly winters before the outbreak of the pandemic had already hit their employment. Severe government measures, which have otherwise proven to be counterproductive, further hampered their businesses. Anything beyond this, they say, will push them towards destitution.
हम लॉकडाउन की हमायत नहीं करते, हम अपने बेटों की, अपने चूल्हों की, अपनी पेट की हमायत करते हैं। इस लॉकडाउन से हमारे फाका कशी पे लोग मजबूर होंगे। गुज़श्ता 1 साल से कारोबारी जो हजरात हैं, ताजर जो हजरात हैं, मुसलसल क्रेडिट पे सफ़र कर रहे हैं, मार्केट के कर्जदार हैं। मजीद ताजर के बस में नहीं है।
शार्ट अल्फाज में दुकानें बंद करेंगे या खोलेंगे?
नहीं, हम दुकानें खोलेंगे इंशाअल्लाह, अल्लाह ने चाहा।
More than 12,000 people have contracted the deadly virus in the ill-equipped Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. But the residents say the local administration, which operates strictly under the commands of Islamabad, never responded with the alacrity disease demanded. While other countries across the world prepared themselves in the first few weeks of the outbreak, the administration in the illegally occupied POK didn't do anything to improve its medical infrastructure and preparedness during lockdown. This is the reason locals say the government is forced to announce lockdowns which do not gain anything substantive in fighting against the virus.